Have my monster real quick. I'm so tired. Okay, so for the past month, a lot of you have been hitting me up on Instagram about this particular issue. Let's get into it now, because that's what this 3-Minute Thursday is all about. Intro. Salutations everybody, Benjamin Brandon here, and welcome back to the only YouTube resource for vertical video in IGTV. Like, for real, look it up. So let's start the clock now. Here we go. And today we're talking about something that a lot of you have been struggling with and you've been hitting me up on DMs about, which funny enough, it's not actually an issue. So what am I talking about? Well, now that IGTV is getting more popular and people are starting their own IGTV channels, they're noticing that they're not able to upload on their profile like a lot of us are able to today. So one of my friends on Instagram, @ThePatJacobs, hit me up most recently about this issue, where on his main account, he had the IGTV emblem right there to where he can go in there and then upload with the plus sign. But he has another account that he manages, which is for travel photography, which is pretty good stuff, by the way. Good stuff, man. Here's his tag so you can follow him. On his travel account, all he had was the highlight button and the new IGTV feed. Going into the feed itself, you see that there's no option to upload. And that actually references a video that I did a couple weeks ago, linked up there, in which I talked about Instagram's testing a new beta profile version and is randomly selecting a lot of creators to see if they like it or not. I will let you know right now, that is your, well, issue, or that's the reason why you can't upload like all of us can. I don't know why Instagram does this, but here's how you fix it. You remember that app that Instagram launched in June called the IGTV app? Funny enough, a lot of people that are getting into the IGTV game now did not know that Instagram launched IGTV with its own app, and it's still in existence today. We just don't use it much. So if you don't have it, step 1, download the app. Step 2, go into the app, log into your account, and this is where you're going to upload. So here's what happens. Once you upload your vertical video, please make it 9:16, please. You will see after it's been uploaded that your IGTV channel is now launched, and you will access it in the new Instagram TV feed located on your profile. And for whatever reason you don't want to download the IGTV app, you can go to your desktop and hit the desktop uploader, upload your first IGTV video there, and then boom, you start your channel that way as well. Now for the end of videos, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna read my top comments from my last videos. It's something that one of my favorite YouTubers do. His name's Potato Jet, and I think it's really cool that you engage with your audience in this particular way. So let's read the top comments from last video. Now this video went viral. It did so good. Like, thank you guys for the view. Jamie Ray says, does the mic automatically turn on once you start recording, or do you have to turn on the mic? Yes, that Rode Video Micro is a phantom powered mic, so you pop it in and you're good to go. Hells yeah, got me one micro and love it. Next step, a camera. Raul J. Gomez, my man, 60 bucks, you had me sold for 100. Take my money, Amazon. Yo, facts. Is the Canon PowerShot SX740 a good camera? I have no idea. The last time I used a PowerShot camera, I was like in the 6th grade, but those were pretty good. Again, very interesting content, my friend. Thanks for sharing. Jesse, thank you for watching. You're one of the true friends that I have here on YouTube who watch pretty much every video, so thank you for that. Let's read some comments from my other video 2 weeks ago. Hit that subscribe button, tap them an odd number of times, 1, 3, 5. Otherwise, even number of times will undo what you actually have been asking for. That's clever. Thanks, Joy. Joy is one of my diehards. Appreciate ya. Hey, Benjamin. Hey, will this rig work for a Sony a7S with my gimbal being the Ronin S? Yes, it will. I know for a fact Small Rig makes Sony rigs, so you're welcome. That is the 3 minutes right there. Let me ask you guys a question. Are you struggling with IGTV in any particular way? If you are, let me know in the comments. I want to see if I can help, and if you need a video about, you know, something like this, let me know in those comments. Smash the like button if this helped you in any particular way. Just take your phone and just get after it. And if you're new to IGTV or vertical filmmaking, this is what this channel is all about. So I would pop, yes, I said pop, that subscribe button as well. Go drink my monster now. Peace.